Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to transfer your balance to a Citi credit card and benefit from lower interest rates, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure you can make the most of your financial options. Let's get started. Step 1. Assess your current credit card balance. Begin by reviewing your current credit card statements. Take note of the balances, interest rates, and any promotional offers, as this will help you understand how much you'll save by transferring to a Citi card. Step 2. Research Citi's balance transfer offers. Visit Citi's official website to explore their available credit cards that feature balance transfer promotions. Look for cards that offer low introductory interest rates or 0% APR for a specified period. Ensure the card aligns with your financial goals. Step 3. Apply for a Citi credit card. Once you've selected the card that best suits your needs, click on the Apply Now button. Fill out the online application with accurate personal and financial information. Take your time to review the terms and conditions before submitting. Step 4. Wait for approval. After submitting your application, wait for a confirmation email regarding your approval status. If you're approved, you'll receive your new Citi credit card in the mail. Step 5. Initiate the balance transfer. Once you receive your Citi card, log into your Citi online banking account or call customer service to initiate the balance transfer. Provide them with the details of your current credit card, including the account numbers and amounts to be transferred. Step 6. Monitor your balance transfer. Keep track of the transfer process through your Citi online account. It typically takes a few days to a couple of weeks for the balance transfer to complete. During this time, continue to make any necessary payments on your previous credit card to avoid late fees. Step 7. Understand the terms of your balance transfer. Read and understand the terms of your balance transfer offer, including how long the introductory rate lasts and what the regular APR will be after this period ends. Make sure you're aware of any fees associated with the balance transfer as well. Step 8. Plan your payments. To make the most of your lower interest rate, create a payment plan to pay off the transferred balance before the introductory rate expires. This will help you avoid higher charges later down the line. Now you have all the steps to successfully transfer your balance to a Citi credit card. Be sure to leverage the lower interest rates to reduce your debt effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.